Meaning of emigrant.
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 Emigrant. Emigrant refers to someone who leaves their own country to permanently settle in another. The word is used to describe a person who has emigrated from their home country. Emigration typically occurs for a variety of reasons, such as seeking better economic opportunities, escaping political persecution, or reuniting with family members. The process of emigrating involves leaving one's country of origin, settling in a new country, and adjusting to a new culture and way of life. Emigrants play an important role in shaping the demographics and cultural diversity of their host countries.